It is often said that breed influences a cat's personality, but the role of the animal's sex cannot be ignored. In today's video, we will focus on the 10 most important differences between male and female cats. 1. Physical appearance. The size and body mass are not only the basic differences between sexes in the world of cats, but also features that can influence the dynamics and interactions in the home environment. Males, especially those who have not undergone the neutering process before reaching sexual maturity, typically develop a more robust body structure. Such physicality not only facilitates their dominance in potential territorial confrontations with other cats, but also makes them more resilient in wild living conditions. Characteristic for males, large, broad cheeks are not just a matter of aesthetics. These prominently developed features are directly related to the level of testosterone and play a role in nonverbal communication among cats. Broad cheeks signal strength and the ability to defend territory, which can deter rivals and attract the attention of females. Interestingly, even after neutering, males often retain this feature, which can influence their position in the social hierarchy. 2. Exploratory behavior. The exploratory behavior of cats is a fascinating aspect of their nature, which significantly varies between sexes and depending on their reproductive status. Unneutered males often show a stronger tendency for long wanderings, attributable to their innate reproductive instincts and the need to seek females. This inclination for exploration is deeply rooted in the nature of cats as a way to increase the chances of spreading their genes. While wandering, males not only seek partners, but also expand their territory and encounter new environments, contributing to their life experience. On the other hand, females, as well as neutered males and females, generally exhibit less exploratory behavior. They tend to limit their wanderings to the closer vicinity of their home territory. This difference partly stems from their less aggressive territorial ambitions and a lesser need to seek partners. Neutering reduces the hormonal motivation for wandering, resulting in a more stationary lifestyle. 3. Urine marking. Urine marking is one of the most characteristic behaviors of cats, playing a key role in territorial communication. Although both males and females can mark territory, unneutered males do so much more frequently and with greater intensity, directly related to their natural sexual and territorial impulses. This process is not limited to merely marking the territory boundaries. Cats use urine to convey a wide range of information, from their reproductive status to their general presence in an area. For an unneutered male, marking can serve as a means to attract females and deter potential rivals. However, it's worth noting that even after neutering, some males may continue marking behaviors, though usually less frequently. Meanwhile, females, though much less likely, can also use urine marking, especially in stressful situations or to express dissatisfaction. 4. Behavior and personality. This is probably the largest area of difference. Males, especially unneutered ones, can be more aggressive and territorial. However, after neutering, they become more gentle and sociable. Females, on the other hand, can be perceived as more aloof, though this is a stereotype. Unspayed females during their heat cycle are very sexually active and may exhibit attention-seeking behaviors. 5. Territorialism. Territorialism among cats is a complex behavior influenced by both sex and the reproductive status of the animal. Unneutered males show the greatest territoriality, attributable to their strong reproductive instincts. Controlling a larger territory not only increases their chances of finding females, but also of deterring potential rivals. Aggressive territorial behaviors, such as fights and urine marking, are often observed in unneutered males striving to maintain and expand their dominance areas. 6. Differences in genitalia. This is the most obvious difference between males and females. In females, we look for the vulva, which resembles an inverted exclamation point or an I shape. In males, the anus and penis are further apart, with the testicles located between them. In adult life, this space is usually larger than half an inch. The shape that aids in identifying a male resembles 2 dots or a colon. 7. Nurturing behavior. Though females are usually associated with maternal instinct, it is interesting that neutered males can also exhibit nurturing behaviors, especially towards young cats. Females, however, have a built-in nurturing instinct, which not only manifests in caring for their own kittens, but can also be directed towards other young cats in the home. Females may exhibit strong nurturing behaviors such as cleaning, protecting, and teaching kittens, whereas males are less likely to engage in such behaviors towards young ones that are not their offspring. 8. Voice and communication. Cats use meowing as one of the main forms of communication with humans, and the differences in vocal behaviors between males and females can be significant. Females, especially those unspayed, tend to use meowing as a communication tool in a more varied and frequent manner. During their heat cycle, they may produce louder, more insistent sounds as an attempt to attract attention and communicate their physiological state. This form of communication can be challenging for owners, especially at night when females become more active. On the other hand, males often meow less frequently and with less variety unless they are in a situation where they are trying to attract the attention of females or in response to specific situations that require their reaction. The meowing of males can be more subdued and purposeful, and their internal communication with other cats often relies more on gestures and body signals than on vocal ones. It's worth noting that cats, both males and females, adjust their meowing and communication style to their human caretakers, learning which sounds are most effective in eliciting a response. Understanding and interpreting these differences in meowing and other forms of communication can help owners better understand their cat's needs and respond appropriately, leading to better mutual understanding and bonding between the cat and its caretaker. 9. Differences in health problems. The differences in health problems between male and female cats underscore the importance of conscious care and prevention. Female cats are particularly prone to a range of disorders related to their reproductive system. Uterine disorders, such as cysts or pyometra and breast cancer, are serious health issues that can be life-threatening. Additionally, females may experience false pregnancies, which can cause stress for both the cat and the caretaker. Spaying is an effective method to prevent these problems, eliminating the risks associated with uterine diseases and significantly reducing the risk of breast cancer. Males, on the other hand, may suffer due to systematic territorial fights, especially those unneutered. While neutering reduces the risk of many health problems in males, such as diseases related to aggression and wandering, it does not eliminate other specific health problems, such as issues with the narrow urethra in the penis. 10. Socialization and interactions with other animals. Females may exhibit greater caution and reluctance to interact with unfamiliar animals, including other cats. They tend to be more independent and choose when and with whom they want to interact. Males, especially neutered ones, are often more sociable and can more easily adapt to living with other cats or pets, showing less aggression and a greater inclination for play and interaction. The sex of a cat significantly impacts many aspects of its life, from health to behavior. Understanding these differences can help owners better care for their furry companions. Regardless of whether you prefer males or females, the key is to provide them with love, care, and a suitable living environment. If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with more interesting facts and tips about cats. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.